to continue with our coverage, and remember that one of the top story is we're looking at what's happening at the Council of Governors. They're set to sign an MOU together with the Ministry of Health with regard to the Cuban doctors who will start arriving in the country in a matter of weeks. Let's just cross over there and listen in.
You relating to the doctors who are arriving to serve our people from Cuba. We pray that your presence will attend us in this meeting, and you will guide even the working that these people will work for the benefit of our people. May all be done to the glory and honor of your name, is our prayer in Jesus' name. Amen.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I think because of time, we will proceed as follows. That one will have introductions very quickly. And then after that, I will call upon Dr. Rashid Aman, the CAS, to come and, sorry? Yes, sorry. We'll proceed by having introductions first. Thank you for that. We skip. All right, okay. I'm well guided. I think as you realize, we were expected to have started at 8:30, but because of time, I think we know each other. For those of us who don't know one another, I think when we'll be doing the signing, we'll then therefore try to know each other. For now, let me have this opportunity to welcome our CAS, Dr. Rashid Aman, who has been the link person between the doctors that we are trying to bring into the country in the Ministry of Health and the Council of Governors. Dr. Rashid, Karim.
Your Excellency, Vice Chair of the Council of Governors, Governor Anne Waiguru, Your Excellency, Chair of the Health Committee of the Council of Governors, Governor Mohammed Kuti, Your Excellencies, Governors present, Cabinet Secretary Sicily Kariuki, PS, Ministry of Health, Peter Toom, MOH, COG, and county senior staff present, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great pleasure to be here at this event today. This event marks yet another milestone in the pursuit of better health care for our people. It is also a testament to the commitment of both the Ministry of Health and the counties to this goal, and demonstrates an enhanced level of engagement and trust between the two levels of government. For me personally, it's a milestone as it signals the imminent arrival of the Cuban doctors, which is a realization of one of the tasks that I was charged with by His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta during the state visit to Cuba in March 2018. Governors, we have read a lot in the press on the coming of the Cubans. I want to say that the Cuban experts are here to fill identified gaps in our health service and pose no threat to their Kenyan counterparts. Rather, they will augment and transfer knowledge and experience to our young doctors. Your Excellencies, the Memorandum of Understanding that we shall sign today spells out the obligations of both the Ministry of Health and the county governments as regards the Cuban experts, as well as the postgraduate training of Kenyan doctors in Cuba. The signing of the MOU now triggers the airlift of the Cuban experts, and we expect this to happen by the first week of June. Governors, we Africans are known for our abundant hospitality and our warmth in receiving guests. Let us live to our reputation by welcoming our Cuban guests and making them feel at home. Finally, I want to thank all those involved from both parties in making this event possible. And I want to especially recognize three governors who have played a key role in this process: Governor Anyang' Nyong'o of Kisumu, Governor Mohammed Ali of Marsabit, and Governor Mohammed Kuti of Isiolo. Thank you. Yes.
Good. Thank you very much, CAS. May I therefore take this opportunity to welcome Senator Naomi Shionga, Health Committee of the Senate, to give a brief remark. Senator. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Chair of the Council of Governors, Madam Waiguru, Your Excellency, the Chair of the Health Committee and the Council of Governors, Dr. Mohamed Goudi, Your Excellency, the Cabinet Secretary of Ministry of Health, all protocols observed. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate everyone who is here present, who is in support of this memorandum that is taking place in this particular occasion. As a Senate, we fully support the devolution of our health services, and I'm here on behalf of the Senate just to make a mark that we fully support this devolution, we fully support this memorandum. And I want to say that with the services that these doctors are going to provide, it is key to our country. And being one of the pillars, the 4 pillars of our President's achievement, we fully support this memorandum, and we are looking forward to achieve the services because we want these services to be accessible to our common mwananchi in the Republic. As you remember, as you know very well, health services being key to our communities, we are supporting also the coming of these doctors, especially when it comes to knowledge and engagement of the treatment of our patients. Specialized services are important to our country, and we are in support of our governors just to make sure that developed function of healthcare service is achieved as per our memorandum. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Senator Shionga, by assuring us that...
All right, so that is, of course, that event that is currently ongoing at the Council of Governors, with the ministry officials set to sign the MOU, of course, just outlining some of the operations guidelines for the doctors who are coming in from Cuba. Remember that they're coming in to be posted in various parts of the country, and a statement from State House a couple of days ago said that these are actually specialists who will be supporting the doctors there so that Kenyans at the grassroots level can access proper health care. But of course, this was visited and by a lot of condemnation from the doctors' union, saying that, first of all, Kenyan doctors who are currently unemployed should have been considered. But we'll continue to focus on that as we move along here on KTN News. But for now, though, we just want to